Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I am Miss Indecisive. Today we're going to be diving into this hair tutorial video, and this here is from QVR. This is a small kinky curly feather crochet hair, and this is a three-tone hair. It comes in the color T1B, the number 30, and 613. This is the braid pattern I'll be using today, and for easy access, I am just going to crochet the ends in instead of sewing them together. Now, if you want a video to watch with the takedown process, I have a shorts on my page where you can check that out. But once you pull the cornrows out, the hair just falls right off. And by hair falling off, I'm making mention to the feather crochet hair that we're going to install shortly. I know I have a couple videos on my page installing this feather crochet here, or the microlink as they call it as well, but for the sake of those who may just be coming across the first video from me, this is how I do it. And you just slip the crochet here on with the needle and you make a loop as you normally would with any crochet here, but you're going to try to ensure that the thread is centered when you're doing that loop. Because if it's not centered, you're going to have some issues with the hair falling off and not installed properly. But with the thread as well, it gives it that seamless look. I like to do the front of my hair first, just to ensure that I have the front covered, and then I work my way to the back. But in this video, I'm going to basically start at the front, work my way to the back, then come back to the front and finish up. I am almost there. Now I have the top to complete, and as you saw earlier, I have a crisscross at the top there with the two center cornrows, just to ensure I have that overlapping there for when I'm ready to put the crochet on, so it doesn't show the wide parts in the middle. It actually will look like a center part when I'm done. These colors aren't new to me, but the combination itself, especially with the 613 at the end, I've worn something similar before, but not with the 613. So I was a bit iffy as to how it's gonna look when I'm all done, but the more I progressed, the more it kinda, rub off on me a bit, and I was a bit excited. With the installation of the hair behind us, we are now going to prep the hair for styling. I will be using my water bottle with some leave-in conditioner, detangling brush, and some mousse along with hair oil. And don't forget your clips. You're going to need your clips for sectioning. What I realized with this hair, I had to really saturate it, especially the ends where you have the 613, because I know how bleached hair can be. It was a bit difficult to, well, not really difficult is kind of a stretch, but the ends gave a little bit of a challenge getting it saturated and curled. I had to really brush the ends to get the curls coming in, but once the curls came in, let me tell you, they were so juicy afterwards. Finally completed one side, so now it's time to take on the other half of the head. And as you saw earlier, it took a lot of brushing to get those curls really popping, and a lot of mousse and water. When installing these here, they'll have you questioning your choices, what you see afterwards, after you see the finished product. Like, this gives trust in the process an entirely new meaning, because I for sure wasn't sure how this was going to turn out, but I actually love it. Got me out here feeling myself and all, because you can't talk to me right now. Like, I feel like I need to go somewhere now. And you know me, I have to try different styles just to see what kind of suits my face from what doesn't, and play around with the hair a bit. I didn't trim up the ends or anything on this one, but if you decide to go ahead and install this, you can trim it up if you want. But I kind of like the look, so I didn't touch it any at all. As per usual, I will leave the hair information in the description box below, so you'll have the direct link to take you to the hair, or any other information you may need about QVR will be placed there as well, along with a discount code. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe as well. Bye.